Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cheat Engine. At time of recording, Cheat Engine is in version 7.2 and I will recommend that you use the version that I provide for you, which you can get from the resource section for this course, rather than to download the latest version from here, so that you'll be able to follow along with the lesson using the exact same version as the version that I'm using at the moment. So go ahead and download it from the resource section for this lecture, and after downloading you will find it's a zip file, so just go ahead and unzip it, and after unzipping you will have this exe installer. And before you install anything, make sure you create a folder first on the desktop, call it game hacking, and then in the future, whenever we create any projects or hack any exercises or games, we are going to store the cheat table and other files in this folder. So at the moment, just double click this to install it. Click on I accept the agreement and click on the next button. Take note of the installation path. Click on the next button and then click yes. I have installed it before, so that's why I'm getting this warning. And then here you will create a shortcut and just click next to allow it to do so. And over here again, the default setting is to create a desktop shortcut, so just leave it as it is and click next. And this is where it tries to install some additional software which probably you might not need. So just decline. Click on decline. And now it is extracting the files and doing the installation. So over here, it says you are ready to continue with setup. Click next. And then here, reset settings, leave it checked, but launch engine, uncheck it. We will check it manually. We will launch it manually. Click on finish. So you have successfully installed Cheat Engine and there's a shortcut on the desktop. You can now delete these two files. This and this. Okay, so now you have two things on your desktop. The folder where you will be putting all your projects, your hacking projects, and the shortcut to Cheat Engine itself. So let us try to open it to confirm that it is working. Do you want to try out the tutorial? Click no. In future, you can access the tutorial. I will show you how. But for the moment, just click no. So this is the first screen that you will see. On the top is the title bar telling you the version of the Cheat Engine, and you have your menu toolbar on top here and your icon here for quick launch. And then here is the panel to show you the addresses which you'll be using later. I will show you how to use it. And below is your cheat table. Cheat table is where you will put all the hacks that you find or the scripts that you write will be listed in here. So, and there are other things which I will show you later. So if you see this, you have successfully installed it. Now Cheat Engine comes with built-in tutorial. you can access it by clicking help and going down here and running the tutorials. You have the simple 32-bit tutorial. If you click this one, it will show you the tutorial for 32-bit games. So this itself is a game by itself, a simple game, text-based game. And if you want, you can just go through this. Yeah, if you click close, it will ask you to confirm. Just click yes. And then there is also the 64-bit cheat engine tutorial, which you can access from here. It's the same tutorial, but it will emulate a 64-bit simple text-based game. Click close, yes. And then there's also games tutorial. So if you click on this one, it will launch a simple game tutorial for you to try, and where it will ask you to do certain things and you're supposed to hack this game. So this is how you can explore the built-in tutorials. It is from the help menu. If you click on about, and you will see this all the credits, as well as the developer, the main developer, Byte. So that's it for this installation. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.